Hi everyone! In this video, I'll be showing you how to make herbal tea. So I'm gonna be using 12 different ingredients here. Each of these ingredients have a lot of health benefits. So let's get started. Here I'm using 400 ml of water in a steel pot. For now, I'll heat this up for 5 minutes while I add the ingredients one by one. First, I'll be adding turmeric. I'm using raw turmeric here, but turmeric powder can also be used. Some black pepper, bay leaf, green cardamom. I'll open up one of them showing the seeds inside. Cinnamon, ginger, cloves, curry leaves, Caron seeds, also called ajwan, Fennel seeds, dried mint leaves. Fresh mint leaves can also be used. Now I gave it a good stir. Some of the ingredients used here, such as bay leaf, carom seeds, have a strong aroma, so the tea gives off a very beautiful scent. Finally, I added some jaggery. This adds sweetness to the tea and also enhances its color. Dates or honey can also be used instead. So I let this boil for 2 more minutes and put a lid on it. I took off the lid and the tea is ready. I strained the tea right into my cup. I'm using a glass teacup here to show you the color of the tea. Each of the ingredients used in making this tea have their own health benefits, starting from fighting infections, to decreasing the risk of chronic diseases, to boosting immune system. This herbal tea does it all. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope you give this herbal tea a try.